In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically restore your previous session in Firefox. This is a handy feature that creates a seamless browsing experience by allowing you to pick up right where you left off without the hassle of navigating through your history to find the web pages you need. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, open up your Firefox browser. Once it's up and running, you're going to look for the menu icon, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines usually found in the upper right corner of your window. Go ahead and click that. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to the area where we can tweak some of the browser's finer points to suit our needs. Now that you're in the settings, your attention should shift to the left sidebar. Look for the option labeled General and give it a click. This section is essentially the command center for how Firefox starts up and functions every time you launch it. Scroll down until you find the section specifically for startup. This is where we need to make a small adjustment to enable session restoration. Within the startup section, you'll see an option that says Open Previous Windows and Tabs. By default, this might not be checked. If that's the case, go ahead and tick this box. This tells Firefox that every time you fire it up, it should automatically bring back all the websites and tabs you were working on during your last session. It's as simple as that. No more frustration trying to recall what you were doing or searching through bookmarks. But what happens if you accidentally close the browser while you're working or exploring something important, and you want your tabs to make a swift comeback? Fear not. There's a quick keyboard shortcut for that situation as well. Simply reopen Firefox and on your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and T simultaneously. This nifty trick will resurrect the last closed tab or window instantly and is a lifesaver when unexpected closures occur. By enabling this feature and knowing this shortcut, you've now equipped your Firefox browser with the smarts to cater to the ebb and flow of your online activities. These little tweaks can significantly enhance your productivity, eliminating interruptions in your workflow or casual browsing. Keep this in mind the next time you launch Firefox, making your browsing experience as efficient and user-friendly as possible.